niya ito. Eric Meng, hook shot, wala. Alvarado!
Naku, hindi kika-count ng referee.
And he will foul out of the ball game. At matatawagan pa ata siya ng technical.
Oo, matatawagan siya ng technical. Foul out of the ball game. Not counted pa yung follow-up niyang yun.
At yung Tanduay Gold's chances of taking a 2-1 lead, malaki ang ikinawala doon sa pagkaka-foul out nitong si Sunny Alvarado. Si Sunny Alvarado fouls out, 14 points, 14 rebounds. Ngayon, Eric Meng will really have to take over.
Eric Meng is going to be the main man, but he has to get some support from his teammates. Lalo't wala na nga itong si Sunny Alvarado. Uy, malaking development yung pagkawala ni Sunny Alvarado.
Dito natin makikita kung si Major Payne